Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best dog DNA tests that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Embark Breed and Health Kit Dog DNA Test. Embark Dog DNA Breed Plus Health Test is a comprehensive dog DNA test that screens for breed identification, 55 plus physical traits, ancestry, geographic origin, and the health risks of developing certain genetic diseases for 270 known canine genetic health problems. It also includes an adult weight predictor and a relative finder that lists dogs in their database that are related to yours. Your test results include a detailed vet report to help you and your veterinarian plan the best care for your dog. Embark stands out from the pack because it identifies twice as many genetic markers as most other companies and has a research-grade DNA genotyping platform. Embark also offers tests for purebred dogs and breeders that provide breed-relevant disease screening, insights into health, traits, e.g., coat color, body size, and more. Every kit includes the genetic inbreeding coefficient and results for nearly all genetic mutation tests recommended by national breed clubs. Providing this extra layer of certification may help to differentiate your breeding service from the competition. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Wisdom Panel Essential Dog DNA Kit. Wisdom Panel Breed Discovery, Wisdom Panel Essential, and Wisdom Panel Premium. You get a detailed report back within 3 weeks that you can share with your vet. Results are easy to understand, but not quite as detailed as Embark. Wisdom Panel has tested more than 4 million dogs, and they say over 99.9% of dogs in their database have a relative. Wisdom Panel also offers a cat DNA test, which screens for 70-plus breeds and populations, 45-plus genetic health conditions, and 25-plus traits. It detects more breeds than any other cat DNA test. They also have tests for breeders of dogs and cats. These include genetic health tests, traits, and genetic diversity. While Wisdom Panel's dog DNA tests are an affordable option compared to Embark's kits, we and many customers have found Embark to be more accurate. At number 3, we have the Ancestry Dog DNA Test. Ancestry, the leading commercial human DNA testing and genealogy company, now brings its DNA scientific expertise to our four-legged friends. The Know Your Pet DNA Dog Test Kit breaks down your dog's precise breed makeup from its database of over 400 global breeds. It also screens for 30-plus physical and behavioral traits to give you even more insight into your unique pup. Your results will also let you know of any close genetic matches to the thousands of dogs in their database. Ancestry has also just released its second dog DNA test, which includes everything in the breed kit, plus it tests for over 200 genetic health conditions. Once you receive your results, you get a month of free consultations with Ancestry's vet partner, Dutch. The breeds and health test is so new that we can't gauge customers' experiences yet, but given Ancestry's stellar scientific reputation, we feel confident in recommending this new dog DNA test. At number 2, we have the DNA My Dog Trusted and Affordable Breed Identification Test. DNA My Dog's Essential Breed ID Test is an affordable option for an at-home canine DNA assessment. Although you get a report on your dog's dominant breeds and any breed-related health concerns and personality traits, DNA My Dog is mediocre compared to the breed and trait information you get with our top picks. DNA My Dog also offers a premium breed ID test, which covers everything in its essential test, plus a couple of interesting features. This dog DNA test determines the biological age of your pup by measuring the length of your dog's telomeres, the protective caps at the end of each chromosome that tend to shorten with age. This can provide insight into the predicted longevity and health of a dog. It also determines the extent of your dog's wolf and coyote DNA. And finally, at number 1, we have the Oravet Genopet Dog DNA Test Kit. Oravet offers the Genopet DNA test for mixed breed identification and the Genopet Plus test for genetic health screening, traits, and breed identification. Each dog DNA test has a helpful, personalized life plan you can share with your vet. While the Genopet Plus test is a bit less expensive than Wisdom Panel's Breed Plus Health test, and much less than Embark's similar test, Oravet's genetic testing isn't nearly as broad or advanced as the top 2 companies. Oravet also doesn't include Ancestry screening or a relative finder. Oravet has also introduced purebred dog DNA tests for 10 different breeds. Currently, Oravet screens for 250 health and trait tests in their Genopet Plus test, but these purebred kits only test for genetic conditions and traits that are specific to your dog's breed. However, breeders can use this test to provide proof of a dog's lineage. You can see a list of the health conditions and traits in each purebred test on their website and the Amazon product page. Breeds include Australian Shepherds, Miniature Australian Shepherds, Beagles, Border Collies, French Bulldogs, German Shepherds, Golden Retrievers, Golden Doodles, Labrador Retrievers, and Labradoodles. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.